Hey guys, how are you? Hope you're well. If you're here for the first time, I'm Lavinia. Thank you very much for stopping by my channel. If you're here for the first time, please do subscribe to my channel. What you can expect is content around fashion, beauty and lifestyle, and I'm sure you're gonna love it. So I'd love to have you join the fam. So hit that button, subscribe to my channel, and also the notification bell so you don't miss a single video. New videos are up every week. Today's a makeup tutorial of this very look that I have right now. I've just completed this makeup look. If you want to see how I created this and the products that I used, please do keep watching, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up at the end of your viewing if you do enjoy this video, and share with a friend. Tell a friend to tell their friend. I know you get the gist. Share it with your friends. So I'm going to share all the products I use in the video, so do keep watching. I used a couple new products for the first time which I really enjoyed. Hey my lovelies, so this summer it's all about bronze and bronzers and just having a highlighted and glowy dewy look and makeup, and I wanted to create a bronzy effect with my eyes, and I thought the Huda Beauty eyeshadow palette would be perfect because of the hues. I love these particular shades I picked out, and I used 3 of them, so you're going to see them in the video as I apply them one by one. I just wanted to make a simplistic everyday look, but create a little bit of a pop with the bronze eyeshadow. And also you'll see later on that I will be using an illuminator bronzer as well to give a nice dewy effect on my cheekbones. I'm going to go in first with this iconic spray. I love that it gives my skin a nice base, and it also has that gold effect. I like to spray it on my brush before I apply it directly on my skin, just to give it an even spread. And then I go in with my foundation. I haven't shown you my foundation here, but I will put the name below. So I'm using an MUA. I love this brand, and I love this particular shade. I'm using W7 concealer. It's gives a lovely coverage, and I was really happy just recently, guys, across my Insta page. I did tag W7, the brand, when I used it, the product, mainly the concealer, in one of my pictures, and they reposted my picture on their main page, which was such a lovely surprise. I was so chuffed and happy to see. So if you want to see it, just head on over to my Insta. We'll finish up with the concealer. I'm going to go in now with the contouring, and I like to begin by contouring my nose. And for the purpose of this video, I've just made it very quick. But if you do want to see my contouring of my nose specifically, do let me know down below in the comments below, and I might do another video where I focus more on contouring and highlighting. I love to use beauty sponges. As you've seen, even the application of my foundation, I actually prefer to use beauty sponges than brushes. I'm now going to go in with my luxury banana powder. I love this baking powder, and I like to use a smaller size brush, as you can see, just to get again to those inner corners or outer corners of my nose and those the under eye area. I'm just going to apply the banana powder and leave it to bake, whilst I then go in and finish up with my eyeshadow. I'm just going to put the same eyeshadow, with the bronze eyeshadow color, on my under eye. Also use some eyeliner to give it a little bit of a pop, and then finally with some mascara. I love this particular mascara. It's Maybelline
It really elongates my lashes and it makes it seem as if I'm wearing false eyelashes when I'm not. So I really love this particular one. So I'm going to put the name down below. Okay, now my eyes are done. I'm now gonna complete the contouring of my cheekbones to alternate between the LA Girl Cosmetics and also one that I use from Primark. It's a darker shade and I find that it's really perfect for really giving definition when I really want to define my cheekbones and really do a proper contour. So this is a particular one I'm using. I'm going to put the name down below in the comments section. Okay, that is now finished. I will now complete my look by doing a nude lippy. I just wanted to keep this look very simplistic. I didn't want to use any gloss this time. I do actually love matte looks. I love matte lipsticks. So here I have gone for a lip liner. I love this color. It's like a chocolate color. I got this online. I'll put the name down below for you. And then I went in with this matte lippy. This is also from Primark. It's such a nice coverage and it's so smooth. It's just such easy application. I love the color and how it just blends seamlessly with the lip liner. Finally, I will use this liquid illuminator. This is also from Primark. I don't know if you watched one of my recent hauls. I was talking about the recent purchases I've made. So this was one that I picked up recently and I just wanted to give it a try and I'm so delighted with the results. So I found the trick with the liquid illuminator, whether you're using a gold one or a bronze color one, I find it easier with application when I put it on my skin and then I'll leave it for at least a minute before I then evenly spread it using an angled brush as I'm doing so here. So this is it. Voila, there you have it. My makeup look is complete. I really love this simplistic look. I love that it has a little bit of shimmer and I really do love the pigmentation of the Huda Beauty palette.
And that's it. Well, today I went for a bronze makeup look and I really love it. I love that I haven't used a lot of different colors. I used 3 different shades to create a bronzed eyeshadow look. And I use this lovely liquid glow for the first time, which I really love, and it gives a nice dewy bronze effect on the cheeks. So I just really love the look. And then I went for a nude lippy. I love that also. Hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, please give me a thumbs up and share this video with a friend. Tell a friend to tell their friend about this channel. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, which I don't actually know why you haven't yet, please do so. Hit that subscribe button. Also hit the notification bell so you don't miss a single video. I post new videos every week. Hope you've enjoyed this, guys. If you have any questions about this look, or if there's any suggestions on any makeup tutorials you'd like for me to do, or even fashion related content, please leave your comments down below. I'd love to hear from you. Also, hit me up on the socials. My handle is at Lavinia_K. I'm going to leave a link down below also to my social media handles. Hope to see you over on social media. Say hello. I'm going to say hello back to you. That's all from me for now. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much again for watching.